Many CRM systems can be assembled from modules, which is very convenient. Integrating each module and training takes time, so you should start with the key 5. We will tell you about them. The customer database module in your CRM is like a digital address book. It keeps all your customer info, names, emails, and more. It even adds details automatically from different sources, so you don't have to do it yourself. Consider CRM that allows sorting customers into groups so you can send them offers that fit their needs. Next is the Sales Pipeline module, which provides a comprehensive overview of lead progression. The sales pipeline shows the different steps that leads past becoming customers and then recommenters. When considering CRM software, look for features such as cloud-based and automated systems, customizable functionalities, graphical visualization, and flexibility to optimize your sales cycle. The Email Outreach module helps create and track email campaigns. It displays campaign details, status, and results, offering valuable insights into the effectiveness of your campaigns. This module allows you to create targeted email campaigns based on their analysis. For example, you can send welcome emails to contacts entering your sales funnel, automated campaigns for lead nurturing, or targeted emails to specific groups. Document management is another crucial CRM module, streamlining the deals organization. From proposals to contracts, your sales managers can efficiently manage and share documents within the CRM, even with the option of electronic contract signatures. The Reports module aggregates various report categories, including administrative reports, field sales reports, and customer analytics. Tailored to your usage pattern, this module provides easy access to frequently used reports and allows users to create customized reports effortlessly via templates. If you need expert guidance in implementing these CRM modules or others, JetSoftPro, a one-stop shop for software development with 20 years of expertise, is ready to help your business thrive.